Join us on our overnight stay at Melrose Vineyards in Roseburg, Oregon, courtesy of our Harvest Host membership. On our last visit a few years ago, we were greeted by 3 yellow labs and a golden retriever. Our black lab was in heaven. She liked this one. Unfortunately, 2 of these dogs have since passed away, and the other 2 were at home. We got parked in this great spot and headed into the beautiful tasting room. We opted for the $10 keep your glass tasting flight and were not disappointed. Lexi was invited into the tasting room too for a big dog biscuit. Unfortunately, the bird deterrent cannons were going off in every vineyard, so it was all she could do to walk into the tasting room, where she shuddered and shook at my feet. The biscuit was saved for later. The wines were tasty, the staff friendly, and the Pinot was our new favorite. So we enjoyed a glass out on our lovely patio. The last time we were here, the 4 yellow dogs took us and our girl down to the river for a swim. This visit, we were on our own, so we took ourselves. A complete struggle for Lexi with the cannons and the fake raptor sounds all around. This was absolute torture to her. One of the winery workers felt so bad for her, he shut off the closest cannon until we headed out the next morning.
And now I'm perched above the factory floor, looking down at my friends below. In my comfy car I drive away, but there is nowhere left to go.
A quick swim, and a quick visit with some of the winery staff who, with their families, were having a picnic by the river.
I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense.
And then, a tail down, head searching for cannons, stumble back to the winery grounds. Absolute dog torture.
When the race is done, the finish line's behind you, and you have lost or you have won. The crowd goes home and you're still standing on that empty track. The lights are out.
Melrose Vineyards. Beautiful. Nice wines, nice staff, and simply gorgeous. Except for those cannons.
You're already everywhere. You're already there. You're already everywhere. Oh, I'm already there. I'm already everywhere.
Next up, a revisit to Armitage Park, just north of Eugene, Oregon, with its river and fantastic dog park. If you're enjoying our Oregon trip travel log, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.